Cuisine en famille. Aujourd'hui, un lentil vegetable stew. So, un potage, I guess. Je sais pas c'est quoi le mot français pour ça. C'est avec des patates, carottes, oignons. Puis, la grosserie a oublié de me donner mes oignons. So, j'espère que vous avez des oignons à la maison. Des choux de Bruxelles, du, euh, du bouillon aux légumes, puis des petites lentilles. Les lentilles. So, on met tout, à part que les lentilles. Sur ta canne de tomates. Un bon liquide. Mets-le tout. Mettez les carottes que vous voulez. Le montant de carottes. Coupe les patates à moitié. So you cut the potatoes in half. You can leave them whole. It's all up to you. Preheat your oven at 350, or you can do this in a crock pot or on the stove. The easier way, the better. Alright, my potatoes are in. Carrots. Ooh, that's gonna be good, I think. Some onions. And Brussels sprouts. Oh, we see plain. Oh yeah, this is full. I think I'm gonna need a bigger pot. Une minute. Oh. Ouh, ça fait du bruit. Moi, je pense que j'ai besoin d'un plus gros pot parce que je veux pas ça passe par-dessus. Alright. Et voilà. Okay. Tout enlevé. Mettez les épices que vous aimez. Moi, j'aime le sel et poivre. Brasser ça un petit peu. Oh, j'ai perdu une tomate. OK. On continue. Sel et poivre. Du poivre. Du sel. Non, ça, c'est mon poivre. Mon sel est un peu bizarre. Oups. OK. Bon, on met au fourneau. Oh, la recette dit 20 minutes, mais moi je pense que 30 minutes. The recipe says 20 minutes, but I think 30 minutes would be good. You know, because you still have to cook the lentils. So put it in 30 minutes. Check it. And if the vegetables are getting a little soft, then you add your lentils. I got you guys red lentils. You can put a cup and a half, depending on the amount you make. I'm making it for me, so I'm not putting that much. All right, here we go. It's going in. And I'll come back when it's cooked. When I need to put the lentils. I'll be back. OK, les amis. Oh, j'étais un peu embrouillé, hein? Oh, there you go. Focus. OK, so. J'ai cuit pour une demi-heure. Comme ça. Là, il y a beaucoup de jus. There's a lot of juice, but these will soak it up. So put in your lentils. And mix it all in like really good. And then put it back in the oven for another maybe half an hour. And it should be done after that. And have this with a nice salad. Alright. Nice salad, some other veggies on the side. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever you like. Alright, we'll see you in another couple of minutes. Alright guys, I think it's ready. Get it off. Let's see what it looks like. Nice and warm. you put, the more juice it's gonna absorb. So if you like it juicy, not so much. If you like it thicker, put more. So that's what it looks like. Oh boy, look at that. Brussels sprouts. Me some carrots and potatoes. And this is what it looks like. A nice healthy actually. So let's have a taste. I'm just gonna taste. Make sure the lentils are cooked. You know what? This is really good. Easy alternative to meat. Go nuts with it. Turnip would be good in there. Oh, I forgot the turnip. That's what I forgot. But it's still good. Hope you have. Hope you like it. And have a really Merry Christmas. And hope your holidays are filled with love and peace. And we will see you in about 3 weeks. Bye bye, everybody.